We have 4 priorities in our university, and one of them is to be locally involved, locally engaged, and to come up with research-oriented activities and innovation for our students. This program provides that in a way that is special, but it also provides it in a way that is relationship-oriented.
The Social Impact Fellowship Program is a program that invites graduate students across the university to participate with a community partner that has a challenge that they've been trying to address for a while, to try to use some of those innovative approaches to develop a solution.
The program is unique because students work in teams, and the teams are comprised of students from the School of Management, but also from the School of Social Work, from the College of Arts and Sciences, and from the School of Public Health. This means that every team has participants with different training perspectives.
The goal is to link together our students, what we know they're capable of doing because they're so smart and they're so passionate, to link them to the community. And that's our duty, that's our obligation as a university to make real change and to make a difference.
My group is working at the Buffalo Educational Opportunity Center, which is a place for adult learners to be able to advance their career and academic goals.
They're required to take certain amount of program in terms of hours when they come to the EOC. And part of what I have to do is to be able to get them that experiential learning, which involves workshops, seminars, volunteer services at different community agencies within Buffalo.
My team is stationed at the ROC, or the Rural Outreach Center, and this is an organization that exists to combat rural poverty.
What we're doing here as fellows this summer is really helping to optimize internal and external processes. So how we're measuring that is primarily the social determinants of health.
So when students do graduate work in any field, they are inclined to be completely immersed in the expertise of that one field. Solving real problems takes understanding a variety of fields. So the more eyes that you can get on a problem, the better the solution is that you come up with.
One of the things I learned is collaboration. Having to be together with students who are not from my school, with each person bringing in their own level of expertise.
We say participating with these schools allows a mix of students to see the joy of working together as a team. All of this is part and parcel of UB's mission. This is how you become a top 25 research university that also provides transformative education for students.
I felt like we had significant challenges and we could use the support that the Social Impact Fellows could provide. I was totally blown away by what they were able to achieve in an 8-week period of time, and I'm absolutely seeing the same productivity and just commitment to making an impact from these Social Impact Fellows that we have at the EOC today.
This summer has been really amazing for the ROC with these students. We've learned a lot as an organization about how to communicate and provide resources for those who are helping us, and I hope the students have learned a lot. We've made a lot of really exciting progress on the different projects we're working on.
There's a setup period where faculty and students meet to kind of prepare students for what's going to go on. There are meetings with the downtown partners so that everybody's clear on what the project is and how it all works. There are consistent meetings with the faculty all the way through the project so that everybody's kind of on the right track and we can talk and problem solve together.
So the final day of the Social Impact Fellows program is an impact showcase where the teams of fellows come and present the solutions that they propose to their organizations for the social innovation problem that they were working on.
It's really rewarding to see all of your work come together as a group to hopefully make some really great change in the community.
When we think about the Social Impact Fellows program, the word that comes to my mind is engagement, and I guess the other word would be commitment. And we're able to sustain and keep moving forward with this program because of people that get involved, and one of the ways to get involved certainly is to be a donor, and we really wouldn't be where we are right now if it weren't for the generosity of individuals that decide that they'd like to contribute to the fellowship. It's an integral part of our ability to move forward.
Well, when I see our School of Social Work students helping out these partner organizations, it is thrilling. It is wonderful because it provides me a sense of assurance that these are students who will not only be working in the future, but they're actually working in the present on behalf of the social good.
That's why we're here in public health. Our whole goal is to work with and for communities to help improve health outcomes. And so to have an opportunity for our students to give back to communities in that way through Social Impact Fellows is really important.
I want this for every student, to understand that the world is filled with opportunities, not the opposite.